what is the value of a such that the number 456a1 is divisible by 3. So how you will solve this type of questions? I have given a statement. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, so here the digits are 4, 5, 6, a and 1. So we just need to find out the value of a. So here 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1, it is coming 4 plus 5 9 plus 6 15 plus 1 16. So if the value of a is 2, then it will be 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, so the value of a should be 2. So a equal to 2. So the number will be 45,621. Thank you for watching the video.